New at 6, some Memphis and Shelby County health experts and political leaders are taking aim at new laws passed by the Tennessee General Assembly. They say they could weaken the power of the local health department. And as WREG's Alex Coleman tells us, some also question whether thousands of unvaccinated workers could now face fines.
When it comes to the fight against COVID-19, it appears the battle lines are being drawn over the authority of the Shelby County Health Department versus new laws just passed by the Tennessee General Assembly.
If the governor signs this law that was passed by the legislature last week, that every decision that we make in a pandemic will have to go through Nashville.
Dr. Michelle Taylor, the director of the county health department, issuing a dire warning to Shelby County commissioners.
I will tell you that the decision that was made in Nashville last week is extremely harmful to public health, not only here in Shelby County, but across the state.
Commissioners also wanted answers about the thousands of unvaccinated people in Shelby County, and will they now face fines by the state or feds?
I just need to know, is there a penalty in this new law that says we're going to be fined for unvaccinated people?
I am not aware of that, but I will get the answer for you and bring it back to you.
The White House wants federal employees and contractors to be required to be fully vaccinated and for OSHA to create rules for private businesses with 100 or more employees to be vaccinated or undergo weekly testing.
We do appear to be an organization with 100 or more employees, such that we might fall under the Biden regulation around vaccination.
The question you're asking is federal, is a executive order from the president, not a state issue. The state of Tennessee would not be penalizing us for having unvaccinated people.
Still, more questions than answers about vaccine mandates and who can enforce them. Alex Coleman, WREG-TV, News Channel 3.
All right, some unanswered questions there. Some county leaders also say state lawmakers have all but banned mask mandates in public schools.